Hey guys, this is the very first video in our Claude series and we are starting right at the beginning, creating your account and getting set up. I will walk you through it step by step, signing up, verifying your account, picking a plan, getting the apps and a couple of quick settings. So you're ready to go. It takes just a few minutes and it's completely beginner friendly. So if you're brand new to Claude, you are in exactly the right place. Let's get into it. First step, open your browser and go to Claude.ai. That's CLAUDE.ai. Now this is the official website, so make sure you have got the spelling right. For that, I will pop the link in the description too. When the Claude page loads, you will see the options to log in or sign up. Since we are brand new, we want to sign up. The easiest is continue with Google, one click and it uses your Google account, no password to remember. There's usually continue with Apple as well, or if you would rather, you can sign up with your email address. Pick whichever suits you. Google is the quickest for most people, but I will quickly show you the email route in case that's what you prefer. If you go the email route, just type your email address and continue. Claude will send a code or link to that email to make sure it's really you. So pop over to your inbox and enter it. But if you signed up with Google or Apple instead, you can skip this part as you are basically already verified. Depending on where you are, Claude may also ask you to verify a phone number, just a quick security setup. Enter your number, you will get a text with code, type that code in and you're verified. And that's the account officially created. And just like that, you are in. You will land on the main Claude screen with a friendly greeting and a message box in the middle. That's your home base. You could literally start chatting right now, but before we do, let's quickly sort out your plan and couple of settings so you get the best experience. So plans. The great news is you can start completely free. The free plan costs nothing, doesn't even need a credit card, and it's plenty to get going. It gives you access to Claude across web, phone and desktop. If you find yourself using Claude a lot and want more, there is a pro plan around $20 a month which gives you much higher usage limits and unlock the most powerful model Opus. And for really heavy users, there is a max plan which starts higher again for even more capacity. There is also team and enterprise plans for businesses. My advice, start on free. You can always upgrade later right from your account menu if you need to. And since prices and limits do change, check the pricing page. I will link it below for the latest. Now Claude isn't just on the website. To grab the apps, click your name at the bottom left, open the account menu and choose Get Apps and Extensions. From there, you can download the desktop app for Mac or Windows, the mobile app for your phone, and even a browser extension. I would recommend at least getting it on your phone. It's super handy to have Claude in your pocket. Everything syncs across them all with the same account. Last thing, let's switch on a couple of settings so Claude is at full power from day one. Open your account menu again and click Settings. Then find the Capabilities page and there you will see some toggles. I would suggest turning these on so every feature is available to you. Don't worry about understanding each one right now. You will go through them all in upcoming videos. Just flip them on and you're set up properly. Quick tips before we wrap up. First, always sign up at the official site, that is Claude.ai. Second, signing in with Google is the fastest, no password needed. Third, start on the free plan, you can upgrade anytime. Fourth, grab the mobile app so you have got the Claude everywhere. And fifth, pop into settings, capabilities and turn those toggles on. And that's it. Your Claude account is created and set up. You signed up, verified, picked a plan, got the apps, and switched on key settings. Perfectly done. You're officially ready to use Claude. In the next video, we will do a complete tour of the interface so you know exactly what every button and panel does. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Drop a like if this helped, leave any questions in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.